is a landing page the same as a web page? Yes and no. A landing page is a unique standalone web page created specifically for marketing or advertising purposes. It's the first thing a potential customer sees after clicking your ad or search result. A user's experience can easily turn sour when an ad they click goes to a generic homepage, which makes sense since homepages are mainly designed for exploration. So, when it comes to spending your precious advertising dollars, you want the conversion path to be as smooth as possible. Think of your landing page as this sleek, high-tech device designed to capture the attention and get people excited. Here are the key components. Headline. Your headline is like a greeting card. It's the first thing people see, so it needs to be catchy and inviting. Make them want to open the door and step inside. Subheadline. Think of the subheadline as a cliffhanger in a movie trailer. It should give a bit more detail and be intriguing, prompting visitors to keep reading. Hero image or video. Now, this is your showstopper, the main attraction that makes a lasting impression. Call to action. The CTA is like this big red button on a spaceship. It's what propels visitors to take action, whether it's signing up, making a purchase, or exploring further. Make it impossible to resist. Features and benefits. Your product or service has superpowers, right? Highlight the key benefits and showcase what makes it stand out. Testimonials. Testimonials are your raving fans, adding a layer of trust and credibility. Trust badges. Trust badges are like credentials that prove your gadget is legit. Whether it's awards, certifications, or security badges, display them proudly. FAQ section. Just like a user manual, FAQs address common questions, anticipate what your visitors might wonder about, and provide clear answers. Forms. If your landing page has a form, it's like getting an entry ticket to an exclusive event. So keep it short and sweet, just enough info to get the party started. And here are 2 additional tips on how you can build a landing page that not only looks appealing, but also effectively converts visitors into customers. 1. Remember, not everyone uses a computer, especially younger audiences. So make sure your landing page gives mobile users a warm welcome. And 2. Nobody loves slow loading pages. Speed things up so your visitors don't lose interest. Whether you're a member of a small marketing team or a big agency, putting all this newfound knowledge to work can be a hassle. Instapage makes it easy to start your landing page journey. You can pick from over 500 fully customizable templates categorized by industry and use case. In addition, Instapage features add-to-page personalization, AI content generation tools, A/B testing tools, collaboration and reporting tools, built-in conversion analytics, and seamless integrations with over 100 existing marketing solutions. Try it out for yourself and see the impact a powerful landing page platform can have on your campaigns. Visit instapage.com.